Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my new lesson. Today we will learn lesson 5 or Dai Goka. In this lesson we will learn moving verbs ikimas, kimas, kairimas, particle a, particle de, to, particle mo in negative sense and it's. Particle mo we learn in lesson 1, meaning will also. Here we learn particle mo in different uses. Okay, let's see. Before we enter to the grammar portion, please go through the vocabulary. It will help you to understand the lesson. Read after me. Say ikimas, kimas, kairimas, gakko, supa, eki, hikoki, fune, densha, chikatetsu, Shinkansen, bus, takushi, jitensha, aruite, hito, tomodachi, kare, kanojo, kazuku, hitori de, senshu, konshu, raishu, sengetsu, kongetsu, raigetsu, kyonen, kotoshi, rainen, gatsu, nangatsu. Gatsu means any month like Ichigatsu, Nigatsu, Sangatsu. Okay. Nangatsu, which month? Next. Chuitachi, Futsuka, Mikka, Yokka, Itsuka, Muika, Nanoka, Yoka, Kokonoka, Toka, Jiyuyoka. Chuitachi, first day of the month. Like we say 1st January. Okay. We say Chuitachi. Ichigatsu Chuitachi. Okay. Second day of the month. That is Futsuka. We say 2nd January. Ichigatsu Futsuka. Okay. Like this. Next.
Hatsuka, Nijuyokka, Nichi.
Nannichi. Nannichi means which day? Itsu, Tanjobi,
Futsu,
Kyuko, Tokkyu, Chugino, Doitashimashite, Bansen. It is platform number. Nanbansen desu ka, Gobansen, Rokubansen, Ichibansen, like this. Okay. Now we will learn grammar. Okay. Noun, place, particle a or ni, ikimas, kimas, kairimas. When a verb indicates the movement to a certain place, the particle a is put after the place. In this case, ni particle can also use it. When we go to a place, come to a place and return to a place,
particle A comes after that place.
in that case, we can use ni particle also. Okay, look at here. Kaisa e ikimasu, or we can say also kaisa ni ikimasu. In both cases, meaning remains same. I go to company. Next, indo e kimashita or indo ni kimashita. I came to India. Okay. Kuni e kairimasu or kuni ni kairimasu. I return to my country. Okay. Next, gakko e ikimasu or gakko ni ikimasu. I go to school. Uchi e kairimasu or uchi ni kairimasu. I return to my home. So here A and knee. Meaning will come to. Okay? Yes. You say that this is he. Hiragana or katakana. The pronunciation is he. Why I pronounce as a? No? I pronounce as a. No? Instead of he. When this he used in a grammar as a particle, the pronunciation changed to a. Instead of he, it pronounced as a. Okay, like particle wa, we learn in lesson 1 that a ha, hiragana ha, when used in grammar as a particle, pronunciation changed to wa. No, this is we learn in lesson 1. Its pronunciation changed to wa. Similarly, this is he, hiragana or katakana, pronunciation same, and writing pattern also same. But when we use this he in grammar, pronunciation changed to a. Okay? Hope you understand how to use a particle in a sentence. Please pause my video and write 3 or 4 sentences. Please write. You know so many places. You can say also supermarket, supa, honya, panya, anything, yeah, it is a shop. Okay, I am waiting for you. Please do it. Done it? Let's start. Come to the next particle. Noun, vehicle, de particle. Ikimas, kimas, khaimas. Vehicle take de particle with the movement verbs which indicate the meaning of transportation. When we go to some place, return to some place and come to some place, definitely we use a vehicle. So after that vehicle, we use they particle. Okay. Here the particle reading remains same. Whatever may be as a alphabets, we read same. They. There is no change of pronunciation. Sometimes we don't use any vehicle. We use by walk. There is no need to use particle. Okay. Look at the sentence. Densa de ikimasu. Okay, here particle de. Jitensa de kimashita. In first sentence it says, I go by train. Jitensa de kimashita. I came by cycle. Here look at the sentence. Aruite khaimasu. Aruite. Aruite means by walk. I return by walk. It means there is no need of de particle. Is that clear? Comes to next sentence. Takushi de kaisai ikimasu. I go to company by taxi. Takushi de. Hikoki de nihon e kimashita. I came to Japan by aeroplane or by flight. So it takes de particle. Shinkansen de Hiroshima e ikimasu. I go to Hiroshima by Shinkansen, bullet train. Okay. Hope you understand de particle. Now, please pause my video and write 3 sentences with de particle. You just use de particle and also use a particle. Write the sentence. Okay. Please do it. I am waiting for you. You do. Okay, done. Good. How to make a sentence? You just take place, vehicle name, then put the particle, again place name, put a particle, then moving verb. Moving verb means ikimasu, kimasu, kaerimasu. Okay, this way you just make a sentence here. Got it? Hope you done well. Come to the next. Now we learn particle to. Noun, person, animal, verb. When one do something with a person or animal, the person or animal is marked with particle to. It means sometimes we go somewhere with somebody, or we do some action with somebody or some animal also.
Sometimes we go
Morning walk with our pets, and also we play with our pets at home. So these are the things. When we go to some place, we come to some place or return to some place with someone, that person take to particle. We learned to particle in our previous lesson already. Its meaning was and. Here it is a different meaning will come. Here to meaning will come with. Okay, look at the sentence. Kajoku to derie ikimasu. Kajoku to Delhi, Delhi. I go to Delhi with my family. Tomodachi to Hokkaido e ikimashita. I came to Hokkaido with my friend. Hitori de uchi e kaerimasu. I return to home alone. Here hitori de. Sometimes we go somewhere or return to some place, or we do some work also alone.
In that case, particle to does not use.
Sato-san to tosokane ikimashita. I went to library. Tosokan means library with Miss Sato. Matsumoto sensei to Hiroshima e ikimashita. I went to Hiroshima with teacher Matsumoto. Hope you understand the uses of to particle. Please make a sentence
With particle to and also particle a and they.
how to make. You just person particle to, then you used vehicle particle they, then you take place particle a, then moving verbs ikimasu, skimasu, kaerimasu, past form, non-past form. Please pause my video and write 3-4 sentences by yourself. Okay, please do it now. I know you can do it.
Now we learn WH question it's meaning is when.
In our previous lesson, we learned there are so many questions and forms for the time like nan nichi, nan gacho, nan yobi. Okay, instead of all those questions, we can use only itsu to ask about time. It does not take particle. When you put question in itsu, it no need to use particle. Okay, but when you give answer, it may require. Okay, look at the sentence. Itsu uchie kaerimasu ka? When you return to home, kuji ni kaerimasu. Okay, come to next. Itsu Hiroshima e ikimasu ka? When you go to Hiroshima, raishu ikimasu. Next week. Itsu kunie kairimasu ka when you return to your country? Rainen kairimasu. Now look at three sentences. When you put questions itsu in every time,
there is no particle after itsu. But when we give answer, sometimes it requires ni particle after the time. Look at the answer. In first answer, kuji ni kairimasu. It takes ni particle after the time because it indicates a specific time. Look at the answer second and third. There is no particle. Raisyu ikimasu and rainen kairimasu because there is no requirement of ni particle.
Hope you understand. Please watch my video. Make 3 questions. Okay? Using itsu.
Now we learn particle mo. We already learned particle mo in lesson 1, which meaning is also. Like Mira-san wa America jin desu, Maria-san mo America jin desu. In this lesson, we also learn mo particle in negative sense. Look at the sentence. Ashita doko e mo ikimasen, nani mo tabemasen, dare mo imasen. In first sentence, you find a written in the bracket. When we use mo particle with particle A can be omit. If you say Ashita doko mo ikimasen, it is correct. And if you say Ashita doko e mo ikimasen, it is also correct. Meaning also same. Meaning is tomorrow I don't go anywhere. The next sentence, nani mo tabemasen and dare mo imasen, we will learn in our upcoming classes. Hope you understand how to use the mo particle. Please pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences.
To bring improvement in this lesson, there are some sentences given here. Please read it. Watashi wa super e ikimasu. Watashi wa gakko e ikimasu. Watashi wa Tokyo e ikimasu. Anata wa doko e ikimasu ka? Where are you going? Instead of anata,
you can use person's name because in Japanese language anata does not use when you put question to other person.
Next, watashi wa basu de kaisa e ikimasu. Basu de kaisa e ikimasu. Watashi wa kuruma de
kaisa e ikimasu.
Watashi wa jitensha de kaisa e ikimasu. Anata wa nan de kaisa e ikimasu ka? When the question will come to the vehicle, nan de. When the question is comes to the place, where are you going? It is doko e. Here I have given some question for you. Please write the sentence. It is very easy. Doko e ikimasu ka? Use particle e, de, to. Okay. In every lesson you have some question to do because instantly if you do something while you are learning, help you to memorize it and it will help you to enhance your skill. Okay. Please do it. Pause my video for few minutes and do it. Then you proceed. Kyo? Here it you have particle to. So definitely put a person name. Here it is particle de, you put a vehicle name. Here it is particle a, you put a place name. Okay. I am waiting for you. Please do it. Done. Conversation. Okay. A-san to B-san do the conversation. Ashita, Kyoto e ikimasu. Nan de ikimasu ka? Shinkansen de ikimasu. Dare to ikimasu ka? tomodachi to ikimasu. Okay, if you have learner partner, please learn together. If you don't have, then make your two hands A-san and B-san do. Okay, Ashita kyoto ikimasu. Nan de ikimasu ka? Shinkansen de ikimasu. Dare to ikimasu ka? Tomodachi to ikimasu. You can change, instead of Kyoto, you can say Hokkaido, you can say Hiroshima, you can say Saitama, or you can say any place you know. Then, nan de ikimasu ka? Dare to ikimasu ka? Okay, it will enhance your spoken Japanese. Learning is a process. Step by step only you can develop your skill. Okay, so please practice it. Next, come to second. Kono densha wa Kobe ikimasu ka? Iie, ikimasen. Tsugi no kyuko desu. So desu ka? Domo. In A-san to B-san. Okuni wa dochira desu ka? Nihon desu. Itsu Indo e kimashita ka? Kyonen no 6 gatsu ni kimashita. Now it is kanji. Meaning of this kanji is study, kunyomi manabu, onyomi gaku or ga. Gaku sei. Gaku sei no gaku, meaning is student. Dai gaku is university. Next kanji, meaning is live or birth. Ikiru, umareru, onyomi, sei. My dear friends, there is a separate video on kanji, and in that video you can find details of those kanjis. So please go to that video and learn. Okay. Ikiru, to live. Gakusei, a student. Next, previous or foreseeing. Meaning of this kanji, previous or foregoing. Kunyomi, saki, onyomi, sen. Saki, ahead. Sengetsu, last month. Sensei, teacher. Okay. Meaning of this kanji, what? Private or I. Kunyomi, watashi or watakushi. Watakushi is the polite form of watashi. And onyomi is she. Watashi, I. Okay. Or watakushi meaning also I. Today's lesson is this much. We finished lesson 5 of Minna no Nihongo. Hope you understand properly and you get knowledge from this lesson. Please practice 2-3 times. You can get it. And in every lesson you will find practice set and also Renshu A, Renshu B and Renshu C. Go with those properly. So it will help you to enhance your skill. If you get benefit from this lesson, please share with your friends so that they can also get benefit. If you are watching in YouTube, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you for watching my class. Let's meet in next class with new lesson, new vocabulary, new grammar, new sentence form, and new kaiwa, and some new kanji. Till that time, sayonara, goodbye. Live safely, live happily, learn properly. Okay.